During the pandemic, my mind was overwhelmed with fear and uncertainty. The world was shutting down. People were losing their jobs. Everyone was staying home, but I couldn't. Hi, I'm Irene, a nurse here in the UK, a mom of 4 and a wife. Every day, I showed up to work praying I wouldn't bring the virus home to my children. I carried the stress of my job and the weight of protecting my family while trying to hold it all together. And then one challenge came after another. Family emergencies, tight finances, our income was barely enough. We stretched our penny just to get by. Depression pushed me to search for something more. I wanted something I could rely on, especially during uncertain times. Something I can work not hard but smarter. Something that I could work on the side. One that would give me freedom without worrying about the money. Then, one day, an ad popped in. It was from another Filipino nurse just like me, and I was able to relate. I actually didn't know her, but her story spoke to me. I was skeptical at the beginning, but I did try to do researches, and look around. And finally, I took the leap of faith. Today, I only work part-time as a nurse because I still love giving hands to people. But I also have more time with my family. We travel, we have our own house here in the UK. We even have our dream house back home. And most especially, I found myself again. I have confidence, joy, and a global community that believes in me. This changed my life. It